Welcome to Weaved In. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to knit the moss stitch step by step. Moss stitch creates a textured fabric that is perfect for hats, gloves, scarves, blankets, and sweaters. Here's what you'll need. 1. Knitting needles. 2. Yarn. Choose a yarn that you like and that works well with your needles. The yarn label will indicate the recommended needle size and gauge. Now let's get started. To measure the tail, wrap the yarn around the needle 10 times as demonstrated. Fold the yarn to make 20 stitches. Cast on an even number of stitches onto your needle. Row 1. Knit 1 stitch. Purl 1 stitch and repeat this pattern until you reach the end of the row. Row 2. Do the opposite of row 1. Purl 1 stitch, then knit 1 stitch and repeat this pattern to the end of the row. Repeat rows 1 and 2. Continue repeating rows 1 and 2 until your project reaches the desired length. Remember to always knit the purl stitches and purl the knit stitches. This will help maintain the integrity of the moss stitch pattern. If you accidentally knit the knit stitch or purl the purl stitch, it will interfere with the moss stitch pattern. Therefore, it's important to pay close attention to your knitting and double check your stitches as you work to ensure you're following the pattern correctly. I hope you find value in this tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you are notified every time I upload new content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy knitting.